Okay, here we are back at the Intergalactic Solar Laboratory Research Center conducting another solar experiment. I've got my solar sizzler, which is a 3-foot diameter parabolic stove, and just wanted to see if I could cook indoors. So I thought I'd just try to boil a cup of water to get started, and lo and behold, after about 6-7 minutes, hopefully I don't burn my hand on the top of that. There you go. We got boiling water. Which means you could easily cook in here. I've done it once before with the global sun oven. I'll give you a good shot of the focal point here. You can just see that bright white light underneath that. That's the focal point. All the energy's focused right there. And this little parabolic stove gets up to, with my infrared temperature gun, I got a reading of about 540. The other parabolic that I have, the bigger one, the 5-foot diameter, I've gotten a reading of 824 with that one. So anyway, pretty cool. What the heck. Thought I'd give you guys a little bonus footage of Old Faithful out here. And this Old Faithful blows about every 45 seconds. You get what you want a little quicker. The real Old Faithful blows about every 45 minutes, something like that. Okay, maybe it's a little longer than 45 seconds. Oh! Current ambient temperature here in Salt Lake City, Utah is 13 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about coming up on 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, there's your bonus footage for today.